Welcome to our guide on adding a card to the Chase Bank Digital Wallet, the best method to manage your payments seamlessly. Using the Chase Digital Wallet offers benefits like convenience, speed, and enhanced security features. Before getting started, ensure you have your Chase account details and the card you wish to add ready. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. First, open the Chase mobile app and log into your account. You can also add a card through the Chase website. Simply log in and head to the Add Card section. If you encounter any issues, common problems include incorrect card details or app connectivity. Let's troubleshoot. Chase Digital Wallet comes with robust security features, such as multi-factor authentication and transaction alerts. Here are some tips for managing your cards effectively within the digital wallet. Regularly update your cards and monitor transactions. To conclude, we've covered the benefits, methods to add cards, and tips to manage your Chase Digital Wallet. Now that you know how to add a card to your Chase Digital Wallet, why not give it a try today?